Hello guys, this is Murli, manager of Besant Technologies, Rajaji main branch. Today we are going to see about our place student Pradisha's success story. She is from Andhra Pradesh, Sri Jnanambika Degree College. She has completed BCom 2022 passed out with 2 years of career break. Now she got placed as a data analyst in our one of type company. Our best wishes to Pradisha, and she has given feedback about her success story to encourage others. Please do have a look into this video. Thank you.
Yeah, hi, this is Pratyusha. I completed my degree graduation in 2015. After that, I get to know about this Rajaji and Besant Technologies. Here, my coordinator was Surya. He is very supportive and he helped me a lot. And here, I completed my data analyst. And after that, I get IT field job. Thank you, Besant Technologies.